I'm Janae Claiborne and welcome back to Sweet Potato Soul. If you've been trying to figure out what to make for meal prep this week, I've got you covered. I'm gonna share my favorite things that I have been making on repeat for the last few months. These are recipes I really just cannot get enough of. They're vegan, of course, but also nutritious, easy to make, and they are just perfect for meal prep because you can put them in the refrigerator and they only get better as the days go by. My favorite type of meal prep recipes. Now, before we get started, please leave a thumbs up on this video and don't forget to subscribe. Oh, you do have my cookbook in stock? Great, thanks, bye. Have you ordered my cookbook, Vegan Vibes, yet? You're gonna love this book. It's got 100 delicious vegan recipes that are inspired by the South, by my travels all around the world, and just like good food. You know what I'm saying? Order today. Lately, I've been making tofu stir fry on repeat. This is such an easy recipe. It's made with vegetables like onions, bell peppers, mushrooms, broccoli, and tofu. And guess what? I even make the stir fry sauce from scratch. The homemade stir fry sauce is so easy to make and far less expensive than when you buy it at the grocery store. This recipe is one of my favorites because it comes together so quickly, it's nutritious, but also because it's got a nice balance of high quality plant-based protein from the tofu, but also fiber from the vegetables. And did I already say it? It's full of flavor. One of the most important things for all these recipes is that my daughter likes them. So I have a 6-year-old daughter who takes her lunch to school every day. So all of the recipes that I am sharing today are favorites of mine, but also of hers. So if you've got kids, know that these are kid-friendly recipes. Whether or not your kids are vegan, they're made with ingredients and flavors that kids tend to like. Next up, chickpea curry. Now I just finished my last bowl of this chickpea curry. It is so delicious. And of course, I'm Sweet Potato Soul, so I add sweet potatoes to this curry, which just adds a nice earthiness and even sweetness that balances out that savory, the spices from the curry. It's so easy to make, you guys. You saute your onions and garlic and ginger, add some canned chickpeas, sweet potatoes, and spices, and cook it until the sweet potatoes are nice and tender. I like to serve this over brown rice. Another thing I appreciate about meal prep, and especially these easy recipes, is that they can be cooked on the stove at the same time as each other. Like while you're making your tofu stir fry, you can also be cooking the chickpea sweet potato curry on another burner of the stove. I used to be a private chef, and this was how I had to cook in order to get out of my clients' homes in a few hours instead of all day long. Definitely take advantage of multitasking when you are meal prepping. You might feel like you're slow at it right now. You might not be comfortable having more than 2 things on the stove at the same time. But as you continue to practice and continue to do this, you will get better and you'll become a lot faster as well. I must admit, I think my daughter is a little bit sick of tofu chili, but I'm not. And it's so easy, so I make it all the time. For the tofu, I like to grind it up using my hands and season it and then air fry it. The air fryer will draw out all the excess moisture and make it super meaty and crumbly like a ground meat. When I was growing up, I loved eating turkey chili with a bunch of different beans. This is basically that, but totally plant-based. And it is amazing for meal prep because I swear, as the days go by, it really does get tastier and tastier. All the flavors start to meld together. Lately, I've been talking a lot about the importance of fiber in a healthy diet, and this recipe has got it all because it's loaded with beans. Eat it over rice, or you can eat it over cornbread. I actually love it over my gluten-free cornbread. I'm not a gluten-free type of girl. I will eat gluten, I love gluten, but y'all, this cornbread, it's like Jiffy cornbread, and it just happens to be gluten-free. You're gonna need to try that recipe too. My daughter, and I think all kids, loves corn. So I like to make her this bean and corn salad. It's super easy to make. It's a cold salad, so you just open your can of beans and, I steam the corn or use fresh corn and then mix it with the other vegetables like red onion and bell pepper, and a delicious cumin lime vinaigrette that serves as the seasoning, as the marinade for the beans and the corn. This is a great meal to send kids to school with because you can do it over rice, you could do it with, tortilla chips. This bean and corn salad also pairs really well with the chili if you want to balance it out, make sort of like a burrito bowl with that chili. There's another recipe I wasn't going to mention, but I'm going to mention it now, and that is my tofu sofritas. I'm obsessed with these tofu sofritas, and I love to make a burrito bowl or taco bowl with the sofritas and the bean and corn salad next to it. You guys, over rice with some tortilla chips and guacamole, one of the most delicious things I've ever eaten. And for my fifth recipe, I have got to include this spaghetti carbonara that I have been making on repeat since I started testing the recipe earlier this year, 2025. This carbonara is creamy, it's savory, it is smoky. I like to top it with this super smoky, umami, savory tofu. I'm obsessed. Now this recipe is not necessarily high in fiber or protein or very nutrient dense at all. And you guys know I love my nutrient dense recipes. However, you can always balance your super healthy meals with something that's like not as healthy, like this carbonara. And when you eat the carbonara, you can pair it with a nutritious vegetable. My favorite being broccolini. I like to roast it and make it in the air fryer. Definitely try that recipe if you're a broccolini fan as well. Now those are the 5 savory meal prep recipes that I will be making this coming week. However, I also needed to include one little bonus thing, these blueberry muffins made with spelt flour. They're wholesome, they've got a nice pecan streusel topping that gives them some crunch and more texture. They are so, so delicious. This is a newer recipe on my blog, and I swear, since I started testing it, I have made it twice a week. Why? Because everybody who walks in my house wants to eat some of my muffins and take them to go. So I have to double and triple the recipe. Luckily, they also freeze well, so I can always store a little extra away for myself. They freeze well, they're a great snack for children, and they're super delicious. Nice little late night snack for the adults too. So this week, when you plan to do your meal prep, you already have the menu. I've actually put all of these together in a meal plan just for you. The link to get that is in the description box down below. I also have more meal plans and meal prep guides here on YouTube and on my blog. I'll link to a meal planning playlist down below, and if you want to check them out on my blog, just head over there, sweetpotatosoul.com, and search meal plan, and you'll find exactly what you're looking for. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions or want to share what you have been meal prepping lately, leave it in the comment section down below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.